Hello my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum and once again welcome back to my another video of crochet. In this video you will see very beautiful and very pretty crochet baby poncho designs. Wrap your little one in warmth and charm with this beautifully handmade crochet poncho, especially crafted for baby girls, designed with the utmost care and attention to detail. This poncho combines timeless elegance with cozy comfort, making it a delightful addition to any baby's wardrobe. Soft to the touch and gentle on delicate skin, the poncho is made using premium quality yarn, ensuring both warmth and breathability. Its lightweight construction makes it perfect for layering during chilly days or cool evenings, providing just the right amount of coverage without restricting movement. The following silhouette allows for easy wear over dresses, tops, or warnishes, while the comfortable neckline ensures a snug yet gentle fit. Whether you are heading out for a walk, attending a family gathering, or simply capturing sweet memories in a photo session, this poncho adds a touch of handmade love and grace to any moment. A beautiful expression of craftsmanship and care, this crochet poncho is not only a functional piece of outwear but also a cherished keepsake that can be passed down through generations. Perfect for everyday wear or special occasions, it's a timeless piece that blends classic style with heartfelt warmth. Delicately handmade with love, this crochet poncho for baby girls is a perfect blend of comfort, softness, and vintage charm. Each stitch reflects the care and skill that goes into creating a cozy layer for your little one, ensuring she feels snug and secure in every season. Crafted from high quality, baby friendly yarn, this poncho is designed to be both durable and gentle against tender skin. It offers excellent warmth without being bulky, making it an ideal garment for transitional weather, outdoor strolls, or cool indoor spaces. The breathable texture allows for natural airflow, preventing overheating while still keeping your baby warm and comfortable. Its relaxed yet stylish drape gives your baby the freedom to move, play, and explore while still looking picture perfect. The poncho's open design makes dressing easy and fuss free. Simply slip it over the head, and your little one is ready to go. The fabric has just the right amount of stretch, adapting to your baby's growing body without losing its shape. Whether it's a gift for a new arrival, a thoughtful baby shower present, or a cherished addition to your own child's wardrobe, this crochet poncho carries a sense of tradition, artistry, and love. It's more than just a piece of clothing, it's a lovingly handcrafted treasure that brings warmth and joy to everyday moments. Perfect for layering over any outfit, this poncho adds an elegant touch to casual wear and can be dressed up for special occasions. It's a versatile and timeless garment that's as practical as it is beautiful, made to be worn, loved, and remembered. Every detail of this crochet poncho reflects thoughtfulness and gentle care, from the carefully chosen materials to the meticulous hand stitching that brings it all together. It is designed not only to keep your baby girl warm but also to wrap her in the kind of comfort that only handmade clothing can offer. This poncho is ideal for layering during the spring and autumn seasons, or for adding an extra touch of coziness during cooler summer evenings and mild winter days. Its design accommodates babies of various sizes and ages, allowing room for growth while still maintaining a snug and secure fit. The draping style ensures your little one can move freely, crawling, sitting, or toddling without ever feeling restricted. A beautiful harmony of function and fashion, this poncho adds a subtle charm to every outfit, whether paired with leggings, dresses, or rompers. It enhances the look with a soft, classic feel that's effortlessly photogenic. From casual playdates to festive family gatherings, it adds just the right amount of sweetness and style. What makes this poncho even more special is the story it carries. Handcrafted pieces like this are meant to be treasured, something that can be passed down through siblings or saved as a keepsake long after it's outgrown. It's not just a garment, it's a memory in the making, a symbol of warmth, tradition, and love. So thank you so much, guys. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Remember me in your prayers. Bye bye. Take care.